Hey everybody, Sheepdog here. Welcome to Sheepdog Logic. Back here working on the Sergeant Major. It's Saturday, beautiful day out here in Michigan, and yeah, just I've been already working on it. Had to charge my phone, had to charge all this. Let's walk you through it. Let's work on Sergeant Major. Let's get started right. Hello, I am Jason Sheepdog Hill. Woo-hoo! Hello everybody.
Stupid.
Well, you need to see what I'm doing, otherwise it don't make no sense, does it? No, I ain't bragging about my tools. That's not what I'm trying to do at all. I'm just saying, if you're gonna work on these big rigs, you need big tools. Yeah, so comment, like, subscribe, share, and keep coming back. Okay, so I was able to get the rest of the parts I needed for the floor, so I got that finished up. And let me walk you through it. All right. There you go. Floor is now complete. I had to take this line back off because I didn't clean it out, and I noticed it was just bothering me. So I'm glad I took it off. I took it back off, blew it out, cleaned it out. There was a bunch of junk in that line. That would have got all in my air system. That'd have been bad. So I took that line off, cleaned it out, put it back on. These are brand new. Got 4 brand new ones, replaced them. I hooked up the ground wire just because I don't think I need it, but I hooked it up anyway. I put some more wire protector on there, taped it up right here, and then taped it up right here. So that's all done. Everything's done there. Let's see if I can get you a good shot of the bottom without messing up there. The bottom's complete. Got 2 plugs, brand new, and this line here is hooked up. So everything's hooked up and complete. All I got to do is put this cover. I got to figure out, I don't know if I'm going to use that metal or not. I don't know. That's my first idea, but I'm thinking something different maybe. I don't know. I'm going to think about it a little bit longer. So that's not a priority right now, but at some point I'm going to cover all this up with some protective. I mean, look at the wheels right here. Right here. That's dumb as shit. So, yeah. Yeah, so we got to clean that up. Not sure exactly what I'm going to use, but oh, come on now. There we go. Got to get her centered again. So yeah, so we got the floor done. So as of now, the floor is complete.